Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence. I am a singer and singing teacher. If your voice feels tired today, this gentle vocal warm-up will help you to reduce tension. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-up videos. You can also check out my other vocal exercises on all streaming platforms. The link is down below. We are going to start with a gentle breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Let's continue with a gentle humming to feel the vibration in the front of your face. Perfect to warm up your voice without any pressure. Place your lips together gently and hum. You can smile a little bit. Let the sound vibrate in the front of your face, in your lips, your nose. Let's go. Hum along with me. Keep going. Nice work. Great. Vibration. Feel the vibrations in the front of your face, your lips, your nose. Last one. Now let's do some lip trills on arpeggios. Keep your lips loose and the airflow steady. Are you ready? Let's begin. Last one. Using a straw helps your vocal cords come together with less pressure. It reduces tension and gently resets your voice. Blow air through the straw, making a sound. Ooh. Ooh. Now let's do a slide very slowly. On a fifth. Are you ready? Let's go. Nice. One more. Nice work. Let's continue with a soft ooh slide, moving between chest and head voice. Nice work. Keep it light. Nice work. If you enjoyed this vocal warm-up, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups. Don't forget to check out my playlist, Singing Lessons for Beginners. Perfect to start your vocal journey. See you next time. Bye!